and welcome back to another edition of the Weekly News from Helium 10. I'm Ria.
And I'm Sean. A new analysis from Marketplace Pulse found 30% of top sellers on Amazon 4 years ago are still at the top. This data signals retention. Even with all the changes and competition, there is still a significant amount of sellers who have been able to build businesses the last few years.
The data also tells us that new sellers are not replacing past ones. In other words, the marketplace is not saturated because new sellers are finding opportunities to grow, like selling in different niches. The data also showed it's getting easier for new sellers to start selling. Interesting news, right, Sean? What do you think about it?
I think that's great because that means regardless if you're an established seller or a new seller, there are signs for optimism. Now, my question to those of you watching at home, do you fall into one of these buckets? Have you been selling for 4 years or more? Or are you a newer seller? Let us know in the comments below.
In the last week, we've noticed an uptick in complaints on our Facebook groups and Amazon seller forums about the time it's taking to receive a replenishment shipment into Amazon warehouses. Some are saying that despite deliveries taking place 1 to 2 weeks ago, Amazon is still showing that the product is in transit and has not been checked in.
In one of our case study accounts, most shipments seem to be getting checked in a timely fashion, usually within a day or two of arrival. But we did notice one shipment that seems to be stuck despite having been delivered over a week ago.
That's interesting. Well, what about you guys? Have you checked your inbound shipment lately, and how long has it been taking to get them checked in? Let us know below if you see any delays in your shipments.
In related news, we asked you last week if you wanted to see a blog post about global shipping services, and I'm happy to report that a post on that is coming out very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that.
And in case you missed yesterday's big announcement, we launched 9 new features, updates, and solutions to help you level up your business, like financial services, Helium 10 training, inventory forecasting, and more. If you'd like to discover what's new, there will be a link to our blog post in the description below. Which announcement are you the most excited about, Sean?
Definitely the inventory management tool. I've been waiting for that one for a long time myself, and I know many other sellers have been too.
Yeah, I'm super excited about that one too. Well, that is all for this week. I want you to follow us on Instagram, find us at Helium10 Software, and hit the follow button. And don't forget to use the hashtag Helium10 when posting or commenting about us. I'm Ria.
And I'm Sean. Thanks for watching.